Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a detailed eyebrow tutorial, and this is how I achieve my brows on most of my clients and on myself as well. So if you're interested in learning, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So first, I love to brush the brows into place using my spoolie, and I love to brush the brow upward. And the next thing I love to do is to go in with my brow pencil. In this case, I'm using Davis number 3. It's a popular dark brown pencil, and the color of the pencil that I use depends on the skin tone, to be precise. And I love to use this to outline the brow shape that I'll be going in for. So you can do this and craft out the shape that you mostly prefer on yourself or any other person. And the best trick to this is to follow the natural brow shape. Don't go too big, don't go too wide, don't go too exaggerated. This way it's going to be easy for you to get the proper shape that you desire. So I'll just repeat the same step on the other brow. And the next thing I love to do is to go in with my brow gel liner to fill in the brows, to lighten up the shade a little bit, and also to keep the brow hair into place. And in this case, I went in with my Health brow gel liner in coffee, and I'm just gonna fill in the brow hair. This way it's gonna keep the brows in place, and I'll be repeating this step with the other brows. So as you can see, I'm just going in between the shape that I've already drawn before. So going back with my spoolie, I'm just gonna brush up the brow hair again, just to make sure that I'm on track and the brow is staying into place. So go in with any concealer that you love. In this case, I love to use a very thick creamy concealer to highlight my brow bones, and I'm using this concealer by Arly Cosmetics. Now I'm going in with the lightest shade in the concealer. I think the shade I went in is the medium brown, to be precise. I went in with the lightest shade, and I'm going to use this to clean under our brows, taking it slowly. Take your time in doing this. You have to be careful so that you don't go too much into the brow. Now I'm going to repeat the same step on the other brow until I'm happy with the results. Ew, that looks amazing. Now I'm going with the second to the darkest shade on the concealer to clean up the top brow bone. So it's actually best for you to use a concealer that is so close to your natural skin tone. This way it makes the blending so easy for you, and when you want to apply your foundation, it just blends so easy and perfectly, and you don't have to struggle. So I love to use this to define my brow, and until I have shaved a nice voila. We're almost there, guys. So the next thing you want to do is to get a fluffy brush or any brush that you love. In this, blend in the concealer. Can you see? Look at that. So guys, I just went in with a foundation that matches our skin tone to give us a final look, and then you can see the brows are done. Easy peasy. The brows are done. Easy peasy. The brows are on flake. Easy peasy. The brows look so pink. Is to go back and get my spoolie and brush up the brow hair into place. So guys, here comes the end of the shape of flawless, beautiful brows in 5 easy steps. If you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to like, give a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be uploading more videos often and often these days. And keep up with my Instagram and Facebook page. If you're on any one of them, it's the same name, Makeup by aesgt. That's my page name. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for staying. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.